Welcome back, folks. Entirely new series on Microsoft Power BI service. So we will start with the steps that are required to create an account. So the very first step that is required is signing up for the Microsoft Power BI service, and it has to be an organizational account. It can be your company email ID, but it cannot be any other account like Gmail account, or it has to be an organizational account. And so I'll start with utilizing one of AWS services that provide email service for a domain that you have registered. So for Flotrain, I will be opening up my mailbox as you can see over here, and then I have my user, that is Power BI master, and then I can enter my password, and I'll just sign in. So I'll be getting one email to complete the sign up process for Microsoft Power BI, and as you can see here, this is the sign up code that I've got. I'll just open it up, and then I'll just sign it as Power BI. The last name should be user, and then I'll create one password that is required to log in to my Power BI service, and then I'll enter the verification code over here, that is 464781. 4781, and then I can just simply put my country name, and that's it. So here we are, the account is getting created, and that's it. So this step we can skip. As of now we don't have any other users, right? So I'll just skip this, and it will take me to the okay. Let me see what's happening here. Okay, so here we are back again. It will take few minutes. So just a recap of what we have done till now. We have just signed up for Power BI service, which is required to share the content that you will be developing utilizing Power BI desktop. So the main components of Microsoft Power BI as a BI tool, business intelligence tool or data analytics tool, is like we have a Power BI desktop version on which we can create our content in the form of reports, visualizations, and then we can share it, we can publish it on the service in our workspace, as you can see over here. These are the workspaces. I can create more also. By default I will have my workspace. So this is something that would be required to share your content on the web and other different set of mediums. So that's pretty much I wanted to discuss as an introductory session over here, and uh, in the next set of discussion we'll start building some reports. Thank you.